This is a bit broke. Even though we turned off the breaker, getting power from something else.
Oh no!
How you doing? Welcome to Royale installation. I'm Denise, and today we're gonna show you how to change your light switch. The most important thing is safety. So the first thing you want to do is isolate the circuit. So if you look, you can see the lights on. Most of you may have a dual RCD fuse board. So we need to find the correct circuit. Screws are low. It's probably a plasterboard back box. What went off? I know this is something go off. Oh, this is something broke. Even though we turned off the breaker, getting power from something else. There we go. Everything's brown, yeah? Just to make it interesting. Okay. This one. And this one. Why has it got so much loops in it? Why does this need to loop to here? This is the power. Look in there, I've got some tape. I think I need a different switch. I think it's the way they're wired it. Yeah, these are the power. Put these two together with this other one because they're the power. I'm just carrying one power across to the switch. So I think they just made it complicated for no reason. So we've got a power supply that we're just jumping across to give the other switch a power on the other side, because it's a 2-gang switch. Once again. Alright, let's see what I've won. So we've got the under cabinet light, and then we've got the 4 light. So we've got the one that operates the spotlights, and then we've got the one that operates the under counter light. Got these extra long screws again. And it's got a skeleton back box, so it's got 2 back boxes really. So I'm trying to reach the second one now. So the light's nice and fitted. I'm going to turn it on now. So this was a 2-gang double pole switch, all working as it always does at the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for another video. Thank you.